So today we'll be learning about how to install Microsoft SQL Server on a Windows machine. So let's start. So first we'll launch a Chrome browser or any browser. We'll go for the google.com and search for MS SQL Server. MS SQL stands for Microsoft SQL Server. You click for the download button over here and the first link of the Microsoft SQL Server download. Click on this link. The page has loaded. Then we'll click on the download option. In the download option, we'll scroll down and go for the developer edition, Microsoft SQL Server download 2022 developer edition. Click on the download button. The setup will get downloaded. This is a prerequisite setup. Over here, we'll click on the again for the yes. There will be three options. One is a basic, where you select the installation type and installation server database engine features default configuration. So it will basically install the basic setup from the web and set up over the system. Then another is a custom, where you will be able to download. You will be able to customize all your own parts and setups. And the third option is a download media, where you will be able to download in the two formats. One is an ISO format and another is a CAP format, the compressed media.exe files or box files, whatever you know. Then we'll click for download button. The data is almost about of 1 GB, so it will take some time to get downloaded. So we'll wait once for the file to get downloaded. Once the file is downloaded, we'll start for the implement. It depends it depends on your internet speed, service provider, how the download speed is there. So download is almost complete. It will take a couple more minutes, and once the download is done, we'll go towards the ISO file. The file has downloaded. Now we'll click on the open folder. So this is the ISO file. We'll extract the file over here. Once the extraction is completed, we'll see. It's taking some time. Once it's done, we'll click over here. Click on the setup. It will launch for the setup. Now we'll click on the installation over here for the new SQL Server standalone installation. So it started. It will start scanning the data on the system. It has completed all the system. Over here it's given a firewall warning. We'll click on the next. We'll click on the performance installation and adventures, new installation, SQL developer edition. Next, I'll accept. Click on next. So Azure data, we don't have an Azure Data Studio. We'll uncheck it over here and we click on the next. So now over here it will ask for the setup. So we'll go for the database engine, analytical services, full text scan schematic extensions. That's it. So the installation root will be instance root directory, C file, MS program file, MS SQL server. We click on the next. We'll wait for it. So it is asking for that instance name. So we'll click right now over here. It's a demo instance. Nothing against that. We'll click for the next. The instance name is demo. The instance ID is also demo. So over here right now there are options such as grant maintenance and everything. So we'll click on the next. Windows authentication definition or a mixed one. We'll take the mixed one. For the default user password, there is a SA user which is a default user for Microsoft SQL. We'll put a password over here. And we'll add a current user of the Windows as well over here. Both has been done. We'll click on the next. Okay, so while going for next, we have options. Let's check the data directory which are given over here: root, database directory, database backup. So we'll create this database C program file, MS SQL server. Everything is in the C program file, MS SQL server. We'll click next. Tabular mode. Okay, it's giving an error. Why? Okay, so we need to add the current user as well. So current user has been added. We'll click on the next. So now all this setup will get installed. It started installing. So now we have to just wait for the installation to get completed. So the installation has been completed almost 50% of the. Let's wait for the data to get. We'll let the installation get completed, and we'll try to launch this application. Installation has been almost completed. Let's see. So the installation has been completed. We'll click on the close, and in the next video we'll try to install. Let's see, if possible we'll install the MS SQL SSMS. So no SSMS is installed. We'll try to install the SSMS in the next video. Thanks for watching.